Mark begins by drawing a quick sketch. He blocks out anything to be removed and added to give a rough idea of the final visualised creation. Now it's time to remove any packaging. This is Mark's SWAT team toy gun. He then removes any unwanted details and transfers and stickers. Sharp blade alert! Using a craft knife, he carefully removes the magazine part of the gun. Always cut away from yourself to avoid any nasty trips to the A&E department. Using a fine-grained sandpaper, Mark removes any rough edges. He cuts a piece of card which will be used to cover the hole and be painted over later. This is glue-gunned into place like so. A clear piece of fish tank tubing and an old plumbing pipe is going to be used to create the rifle's sight. Both pieces of plastic are sanded down to give the glue something to key to when they are stuck into place. And as you can see, we love a good glue gun here at Second Skin. It would definitely be one of my must-haves on a desert island. Oh wait, no PowerPoints. Oh, never mind. Anyway, back to the video. So we glue the rifle sight in place, as you can see. We also like to recycle when we make our pieces. This chocolate box carton will form the basis for extra details which will change the primal shape of the gun. We use super glue here as the glue gun's heat would melt the thin plastic. Now to spray that rifle, man! Make sure you do this in a well ventilated space, however. Mark opted for an earthy brown colour as a base coat, although now it looks like a tasty bar of chocolate goodness. A rich mustard colour is applied to the base coat. This was built up in layers. Followed by a military khaki. And lastly, a soft grey. Ta-da! Now for some battle damage! A light wash of black acrylic is painted all over the outer casing that brings out the recesses and gives this weapon a grimy, overused feel. Dry brushing also creates a worn look. Mark applied this to all of the raised areas, paying particular attention to the front and the sides of the assault rifle. Using metallics, more scarring detail was added to the body. More hot glue! Mark attached a piece of material to add texture to the back of the gun. So we hope you enjoyed our amazing video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit us up on our social media pages. Till next time guys, bye for now!